Hello trader, I am Durgesani. I follow SS7 signal from only 2 weeks and look at my result. This is my account balance. I just deposit only $50 and now my balance is 106.81 and this is my trading history of this month. Last 8 signal all signal are correct. Look at that. My account just double. And I calculate all the years trading signals. This is this is thank you very much SS7. You are great and your accuracy is very good. And this is some screenshot that I sent SS7. All wins. Only few signals we lost. Thank you very much. Thank SS7. Your signal is amazing.